Hello everyone, this is Shano Bhatia from Gossip Panda. Today I am going to make a video on the topic how to use SEMrush. Let's start with the first topic. What is SEMrush? SEMrush should be have element in the SEO suite of tools if you really are concerned regarding organic traffic for the website. What started as a basic keyword analysis tool is now the world's favorite internet marketing tool. SEMrush is your ultimate SEO platform for detailed study in your business. Classifications of top organic keywords and payment of words, backlinks, evolution. How to use SEMrush? Here are few points starting with competitive research. Whenever you want to launch something in the market, you should know who are you and your top rivals in the market. This competitive research is designed in such a way that you can find out your rivals' traffic generator strategy and how they can affect your company's traffic. You can simply say that competitive research is a collection of data of rivals and analyzing it. Domain overview. This helps you to view all the details of any domain available with just a single click on SEMrush. The features of SEMrush will give you details like organic and paid traffic, backlinks, top keywords, etc. It helps you to view their ranking and also help you to beat them on the Google search engine. It enables a feature like instant keyword analysis, which helps you to figure out top keywords that the competitors are using to rank their website on the search engine, the ad links and more. This feature enables you to compare 5 websites at a single time. Traffic analysis. This is the best and most effective part of the competitive research because in this we have to find out where the rivals are more concentrated for the marketing efforts. We are not done yet. We still have to do things like keeping an eye on the rival's traffic source, type of audience, targeting area of traffic, obviously their leading sources. Organic research. This comes in the spotlight when it comes to generating organic and constant traffic. For this, we must know that what are those SEO strategies that our rivals are using, and also know the keywords that they use for their content to roll over Google search engine top list. Keyword gap. This feature gives a quick overview and report of the 5 competitors and comparison between them. In this, you have to just give them their domains and keywords, and in return, it will show you the common keywords they share. After getting this all information, it becomes easy for you to run the campaign and gain organic traffic. Backlink gap. The backlink profiles of up to 5 competing websites can be compared simultaneously in the backlink gap tool. Enter the domains and all domains that send links to these sites shall be listed by SEMrush. Filtering allows the detection of domains belonging to but not to the rivals. It helps SEOs find differences between the strategies for linking competitors and prepare their own approach to creating connections. Keyword research. As the name itself suggests about what is its functions and what it can do, well explained. If you are going to research about keywords, then this must be the first you should look for. Conclusion. Hope you got what you have been looking for. If you have any questions or doubt, please write in the comment box and don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you everyone.